Hello Senior 2 students. How do you feel at this moment? We hope that you are feeling okay. Today we are going to learn physics, but we need to do the end unit number 1, which is about sources of errors in the measurement of physical quantity. We shall use this link, okay, and open the link and open the quiz. To get it, you can type this link in a browser bar, or you go in the comments and find it and click on it to open the quiz, or even it is appearing in the description of this video. So those are the 3 ways to get the link and access the quiz. We hope that all of you will try your best to be sure that you are able to progress on unit number 2. You are welcome. Let us try to see step by step how to do the quiz and succeed. I wish you all the best. When you open the link, and now you see the instructions of this quiz. You will need to read all of them carefully to proceed. Okay? Now, after reading instructions, you will click on next to fill the following information. Okay? After clicking next, you have to fill students' identification. Okay? Write your name. Okay? Let's say my name is Kubaho GMV. Okay? Write your country. My country is Rwanda. Okay? Write your province. My province is Kigali City. Write your district. My district is Kicukiro district. Okay. Now write your school. As an example, my school is GS Moyange. Okay. Write your class. My class is Senior 2B. After filling here, you click on next to do the following. So for this session, you see that if you have the email, please after submission go back on the video to subscribe and activate the link so that you can follow the latest videos on time. Do you have the email? If you have it, click on yes. If you don't have it, click on no to continue. Okay? But for me, I have it. I click on yes. Then I fill it in question 8. Okay? My email is, let's say, Giringiro gmv@gmail.com. Okay, this is my email. Now I click on next to do the questions which are following. Now, question number 9. They are asking me to attempt all questions, but where to type answers, please use small letters. Now, let's begin doing these questions. Two types of errors are the following. We need to choose the best answer. Let's say they are random errors and personal mistakes. Okay. Question number 10. Is it possible to add a vector quantity to a scalar quantity? Explain. Yes, it is possible. No, addition of vector to scalar is not defined. Think of apples and orange. Or you can choose maybe. Okay, if you doubt, you can choose maybe. It is about your knowledge. The number of significant digits in this number is 4, 2, 7, 8. So we can choose. We can choose according to what we know or what we have learned during this unit. When do we say that the measurement is valid? We have to choose. Okay. After choosing, we continue. Question 30. We need to read the question and we make the choice. Okay. We make the choice. Which measurement is most precise? We don't know, but we can choose. How can we minimize random errors? Please remember to use small letters. You can say random errors. To minimize them, we measure the quantity many times and take the average as the correct reading. Okay. How can we minimize systematic errors? For example, I can say reduce personal mistakes. So these answers are not correct, but just to show you how to answer for these questions. Now question 17. You see that it is about calculations, calculating the perimeter of the given rectangle. As a good advice, you take the small sheet of paper, calculate the perimeter. After getting it, you come and choose from the list given. Okay. Now question number 18. It is about 17b to find out its area. From A it is to find perimeter, B it is to find area. Okay. You will use that small sheet of paper, and now after calculation you choose from the list. Question 19. Discuss the difference between the accuracy and precision. You will choose 2. Okay. So you will read, okay, and analyze. After your analysis, you will choose. Okay. Now let us choose, but remember to choose 2 options. Okay. You will need to choose what? 2 options. After choosing those 2 options, you continue scrolling down to do the next questions. Okay, now the learners listed below measured the density of read 3 times. Density of read actually is given. Now below are their results, whose results were accurate. You will try to analyze their measurements, and according to your knowledge, you will choose which results are correct or are accurate than others. Number B, which result is most precise? Okay, also you will choose. Number C, it is 20C, number C, whose measurements were both accurate and precise. You will need to choose, because you have seen the results above from question number 20. Okay. Question number 23, it is to arrange the following measurements in order of precision, beginning with the most precise. So they are arranged, but according to you, you will choose the best order. Okay? Which order it is showing the most precise order. Okay, you choose from the given list. 24, what is the absolute error if the central value is given and relative error is given? Use that sheet, you calculate. After getting the answer, see whether is matching from this list, because one of these will match to your result. Now you shall choose. You will choose the correct answer. Question 25. The length of body is measured. If the accuracy is given, now what is the percentage error? Okay, you will use this data on the piece of paper and calculate the percentage error. Okay, now you will come and choose from this list. The dimensional formula for gravitational constant is, I don't know, you will choose. But you, from you will do the dimensional formula of the gravitation. After doing it, you choose. Okay. Don't choose randomly. You have to calculate. 27. The velocity of a body is expressed as this expression. Okay. Dimensional formula of x, this x, it is one of these given. Okay. You will need to choose it. I don't know it, but you have to observe carefully. Question 28. You will need the text and choose the best answer, which is more precise. 29. Suppose that two quantities A and B have different dimensions. Determine which of the following arithmetic operations would be physically meaningful. You have A plus B, A divided B, A minus B, A B, or A times B. So we don't know. You will need to reflect on it carefully and choose the clear answer. From question 30, from this question number 30, if an equation is dimensionally correct, does this mean that the equation must be true? If an equation is not dimensionally correct, does this mean that the equation cannot be true? Okay, so you will to choose. Read the given options. Okay, 31. You will calculate. After getting the value, compare with the given, and now you click below the answer as you get it. Arrange the following measurements in order of precision. Okay, you will need to arrange, okay, according to the precision. Match these questions. It is the same. Area, fundamental. Force, fundamental. Time, fundamental. Mass, I don't know if they are correct, but you will try to do them correctly. After doing all of the questions, you need to submit. But remember, the quiz is about 80 minutes. Okay? So you have to complete the questions within the given time. If you don't respect the time, the quiz will be submitted and you miss it. Okay? But now, if you respect the time, it will be good for you. After doing all the questions, you need to do what? To submit. Okay? Now, when you submit, you get the message. Your answers have been submitted successfully. Thank you for attempting the quiz. Now, you can view your results, or you can get the PDF of your answers and print it. But let us see our result. Okay? Now we see that our points are 20 out of 40. So this is our marks from this quiz. So this is the time taken while doing these questions. Okay? After getting the result, we can reflect on ourselves. Okay? To see whether we are able to progress on unit number 2, or if we can try to make research or try to improve where it is not going well. Okay? You can join your colleagues, okay? Or you ask your teachers where you don't understand correctly, so that you can progress on the other unit number 2. After getting your points or your marks, you can see how the answers, how the answer are correct or wrong. Okay? Now if you scroll down, you can see the incorrect answers and the correct answers, so that you can see how to do all of these questions. Okay, for this they will be reviewed later. Okay, no problem, don't worry. So this is how to do this quiz. I hope that you will try your best and you get the feedback. Okay? And I think this is a helpful video for you to assess on yourselves. Okay? So This is the end of our video. We hope that you will make subscription to get the latest videos. Thank you very much. See you next video.